The two problems addressed by the cutting fluids are the heat generation at the shear and the friction zones. Second, the friction at the tool chip and the tool work interface. So the cutting fluids are any liquid or gas applied directly to the machining operation to improve the cutting performance. The coolants are an instrumental part of the machining, including the grinding, the milling, and the turning. They help to extend the tool life and provide the improved surface finish of the parts being machined. Understanding the role of and the type of the coolant help you to select the coolant that is going to be a right fit for your machine and operation. Other functions and benefits of the cutting fluids are wash away chips, for example in the case of the grinding and the milling, and reduce the temperature of the work part for easier handling, and finally improve the dimensional stability of the work part. The cutting fluids can be classified according to the function as a coolant, which is designed to reduce the effects of the heat in the machining, and the lubricant, which is designed to reduce the tool chip tool work friction. In the coolants, the water used as a base in the coolant type cutting fluids. It's most effective at the high cutting speeds, where the heat generations and the high temperatures are the problems. It's most effective on the tool materials that most susceptible to temperature failures, like the high-speed steel. For the lubricants, usually going to be an oil-based fluids, most effective at lower cutting speeds. Also, reduce the temperature in the operation. There's a very high possibility of having the cutting fluid contamination. For example, they mix with the trump oil, like the machine oil and the hydraulic fluid. The garbage, like cigarette butts and the food, the small chips, and the molds, fungi, and bacteria. The dirty cutting fluids are ineffective in ensuring the maintenance of the parts and the quality of your products. Keeping your sample clean will alleviate these issues by making sure that the cutting fluids is always clean. Maintaining a clean and healthy coolant system for your CNC machine is not only a legal requirement for the health and the safety, but it's also a very effective way to increase the tool life, the cutter speed, and the machine life, and also helping you to keep your employees safe. You need to replace the cutting fluids at regular and frequent intervals. Also, use a filtration system to continuously or periodically clean the fluid. And finally, you can go with the dry machining. In dry machining, no cutting fluids is used. This will avoid the problems of the cutting fluids contamination, disposal, and filtration. But there are problems with the dry machining, including the overheating of the tool, the operating at lower cutting speeds and production rates to prolong the tool life, and the absence of the chip removal benefits of the cutting fluids in the grinding and the milling.